I'm gonna cut that another time. That is not gonna happen right now. Oh. So this has gone from here to here in my thinking. From there to there. It's going to be a little bit more, I don't know, dynamic. Anyway, I have to find, I wanted to find a bass. It's going to be, ooh, that's easy. And whenever you fool around, I think that's going to go right in. There we go. And then that, I'm going to make a little scale model of it. Very dirty. Alright, well that's the next one. I think this is going to go back and forth thing. Alright. Yeah, still screws in there. Just going to cut that off and make that right. Oops. Concept. It's my sweds block. That'll get the balance act going. Here, I'm gonna measure real quick. Should work. Close your eyes. There we go, there we go. Perfect. Dig that. I gotta cool this down. That's one thing, if you're going to work with metal, you're going to grind. Metal is its own thing. It has a smell to it like shop class. There you go. Woof. Love it! Ooh, that's nice too. I might have to pound on the larger one. This is a scale model of what I'm doing for Soundboxs. And I'm going to have little people. I like that. Now I'm just going to kind of do some. All right. Now there's several different shapes. Abstractal, people, right. If I do that, I'm going to want to, let's just see if I can do that. I don't think these are going to be long enough for a full-grown person. Ooh, maybe. That's pretty big though, mister. Oh, well, let's just see how it goes. I don't know if I'm going to do them on top or down there. Kind of depends on my welding technique. Totally. I don't think I can micro weld that though, Senor Egg. Okay, so that was 24. So that could be a 24 foot, which would be, you know, not that big. And then there's multiple ways of attaching. I could just get really funny. I think, okay, let's do another one. There's gonna come a point where weight is paramount. That's where some kernels come in. Different size kernels. Oh, I'm kind of liking it. I could go abstract. I could do like dueling abstract and dueling figurative. So the two big are abstract and the other ones are the two, well, I mean, I don't know. Maybe that's not the big one. You never know. Do you? Do you? So then this will be kind of like that, going, waiting for people to go, boom, 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 boom. And then somebody over here, boom, 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 boom. A little woodstock would be funny, like, That's because of that. I don't think I want to fix that. I think I'm not going to fix that. Just so you know. So this is for Soundbrowse, LB Soundbrowse in Belmont Shore, November 15th, 6 to 9 on 2nd Street. The whole thing, there's going to be 20 artists or more. They're going to be in public spaces and empty spaces and tucked away spaces. I'm going to be in a little communal space where everybody can kind of go like that. Activation is at 6 o'clock. Everybody's up and powered. So this is going to be an acoustical and electronic piece. It did just disappear. All right, so that one person's playing on that side, and then I think I'll have another person playing on the other side. And I kind of like making a knot every once in a while. Kind of makes everything kind of tense. What's going on here? That's what's going on there. Follow your heart. You're all knotted up. No, see? Took too much right in the beginning, and now there's not enough for that other arm. Mister. Oh, what do you mean? Kind of move it along here. Editing up all of the Spotlight Artist pieces made me realize how much people are inspired by the world, inspired by the wonder, searching and exploring for the stuff that makes relevance in our lives. It's pretty cool. I like it. I have about 6 other ones in works, and I'm just going to keep doing it because I dig it. I dig what people have to say and getting people's points of art, what they do. You're going to be a small head? So, just so you know, it's going to keep going. As is Eglin Badger. There's many stories happening as we bend and speak. And, well, I'm always going to do food. I come from food. I think we all come from food, don't we? Good analogy. Well, maybe you have a big tummy. Go through there. Yeah, just do that. Just do that. All right. Expressly expressive. Yeah. reach for the sky. Same mass. We'll just have to see what happens on that. All right. So then, if those are, say that big, then I want to make something smaller, make them smaller, and these would be the abstractals. Yes, that's what they're going to be. Excuse me? Did you mean to do that? No. So if I make them the same length, theoretically they're the same weight, and then I can be close and abstractals. Tighten it up. And I have to figure out how am I going to put this on here. That might be the way, up there versus down here. Where's that magic? Magic, please. I actually really like that. The little. It doesn't have to be that way, does it? It could be just how you do. How are you doing? Kinda. Look at that. And dude, they're ramming me. Do. I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work really beautifully. And resolve. That's on the bottom. Even that might just be nice. Boom, 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 boom. It's very deep. Boom, 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 boom. And those deep, but it is tight. Just go unilaterally, quadrilaterally. Oh, la 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 la. Ah. Yeah, another one. And reversing direction. Puts in a little. For a little bit more. Just like that, you know? Same size. You're more. Principal. Matt. Yeah. Well, if you bring it up there. Now, what will that do? Will it even be a effect? And it doesn't have to be all on the same longitude. Look at that. Oh. I really like that. I have to refine it over the next 2 months. And October 15th to November, so November 15th, this will be in large form, like big. I told you, I'm getting big. We'll keep it rolling. I like it. All right. Love it. There you go. All right. Thanks for showing up to SONICS. See you on the next one. Stay creative.